Hey everyone, check out the FOMTOR bike stem, a versatile and adjustable stem for all your cycling needs. It fits handlebars with diameters of 31.8 or 25.4 and offers a length of 90 with an adjustable angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Made from lightweight yet durable 6061 aluminum alloy, it weighs only 334 grams, ensuring strong performance without adding extra weight. Installation is simple, just unscrew the bolts, select the right size and secure it in place. This stem is perfect for mountain bikes, road bikes, BMX, fixies, and more, catering to riders of various cycling styles. Its hollow design adds durability while maintaining a sleek look for serious cyclists. Upgrade your bike's handling and comfort with this reliable, adjustable stem. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.